So Jason's container just arrived, or is arriving soon. So we actually had to abort mission and head back home. But we'll head out and look for bike parks after we're done with the container. Looks like we got a convoy of wheels, but more importantly, the container has arrived. So it's time to do a bunch of hard work and unloading, and hopefully we can ride at the end of the day.
And then there'll be that big wide 4-lane road that's at the edge of the city. We're gonna take another left and we're gonna go basically 5 kilometers. So you wanna ride however you wanna ride those 5 kilometers straight, go for it. Okay. Just check back every once in a while, and then we'll get to a YMCA. This is an area I don't know that well. You may or may not be able to see it on your left, but it'll be a pretty country type road that we're gonna take another left on. And then we're gonna go back onto paths, and it'll be paths the rest of the way.
Okay, so yeah. Just a little bit of road riding.
Just a little bit, just for
a little bit of dead road riding.
Yeah, that's fine. We are pretty organized as a group, so we usually just stay pretty close together, so no one will get lost.
Cool.
Yeah, so we'll be all right.
And then, yeah, because it's like Wednesday in the middle of the day at the edge of the city, I'm thinking there won't be too many cars, and they should be able to just go around us or whatever. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna be. I might be just super terrified and ride wheels.
On fire. There you go. You're feeling too much. That would have been a quick ride for me today. Follow. Here with the YYC Scoop Gang, chilling at, what's the name of the place again?
Sandy Beach.
Sandy Beach.
Go.
Getting some river water for his bong. Hopefully I don't get demonetized for that.
You might actually for YouTube. But it's legal in Canada, so.
Yeah. We got Nami scooter. T4. RS high torque. Another T4 and a Sherman.
It's safer to be in front.
Oh, I was watching a live.
Woo! Oh!
Double the looks over there.
Holy snap.